Like most artists, I've been inspired by tough times in my life. My name's Brad Hansen. I'm from St. Louis, Missouri, and I work for Lindenwood University. I'm the creative director there. I've been drawing my whole life, and I'm 33 years old, so it's been a lifelong pursuit of drawing. I get to mentor these students who come through my marketing department at work, and I get to send them off into the real world with real world experience and real world guidance and portfolio critiques that I know, because I'm a creative director myself, that they will be looked at from that point of view, and also their resumes, and just teaching them, you know, fundamentals of good design and really trying to be someone who is there for them throughout their career. The most rewarding part is seeing somebody that you've mentored, like, get it. Like, there's an aha moment typically. Sometimes you're not there for it, but you can see it played out in their life. Like most artists, I've been inspired by tough times in my life. I went through a really tough season of depression, but usually when you come out of a dark season or a tough season, you're usually inspired by it. A lot of my art is inspired by like the Bible and scripture, and like verses that mean a lot to me and verses that helped me through that season. Be kind to yourself. Know that there's, you know, a time to rest too. Like, burnout is a real thing. It's one of the reasons I probably went through my depression, was I was trying to do too much. And this world that we live in now, it wants you to move fast, and it keeps getting faster, but you need to set boundaries for yourself as well, because you're a human and you can't do everything and more.